Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live, and welcome to our weekly show where we talk about happenings and what's going on the dock of the bay at Stingaree Restaurant. You know, Stingaree Restaurant, located at 1295 North Stingaree Road, is a travel destination for many. A lot of people travel down for the day just to enjoy the view, a great seafood dinner on the dock of the bay. And if you're down here for the weekend, some live music. Imagine sitting, enjoying a frosty margarita with a view like this over East Galveston Bay. And I can tell you, when the sun sets, you can't find a better place to enjoy with family and friends while the kids run and play than a dinner at Stingaree Restaurant, maybe some live music at Down Under, or just relaxing and some great conversation with family and friends. You know, Stingaree's a family-friendly environment, and like I said, it's a travel destination. People come down for a day trip to enjoy a fresh seafood dinner, a frosty margarita, a smiling staff, and some free live music on the dock of the bay. And we're gonna talk about some live music coming up. You know, it's Easter weekend's coming up, and a lot of families come down, and I can't think of a better place to enjoy Easter weekend than here at Stingaree Restaurant. It looks like someone's leaving out after a great meal, or they passed up Stingaree and didn't make the turn. But you know, Texas Gulf shrimp, whether it's fried or grilled, is one of their signature platters that people love. The video you're looking at now is actually their grilled seafood platter, and I call it the double decker because they start with several different kinds of shrimp cooked on the bottom. They top that off with some grilled crab, and then you can have gumbo. And this here, it's one of my favorite. It's the Roscoe's ribeye, bacon, blue cheese, and then I like it with grilled shrimp. You know, their stingaritas and margaritas are world class and known around the world, and their steak night on Wednesday night is another fabulous meal. A meal you can't beat the price, a hand-cut steak, cooked to order with either fried or grilled shrimp, and then your choice of a side. I always like green beans. So, you know, live music is a family-friendly atmosphere on the dock of the bay, and this weekend's no different for Easter weekend. They're gonna have a great music lineup. You can enjoy a fresh seafood dinner, and then go downstairs, and Friday night, you can enjoy Midnight River Choir. They're gonna be playing April 7th as you get into town, maybe coming in for Easter weekend. And then Saturday night, they're gonna have Jerry Diaz, another great Southeast Texas band. Jerry plays a Caribbean style music, and with the view like this, you just can't beat it. So for more information on Stingaree Restaurant, what they have to offer, and the views, please visit their website at www.stingaree.com. You can also find them on Facebook and Instagram for any updates or any featured platters for the weekend. They're located at 1295 North Stingaree Road here in Crystal Beach, Texas, on the water. You can't beat the view. You can't beat a frosty margarita and a free sunset. So we're gonna head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. We're gonna be there in and out for Easter weekend. Once again, visit their website for more information and a glance of their menu. You'll enjoy it. www.stingaree.com. Until next time, free live music Friday night with Midnight River Choir, and then Saturday night, you can enjoy Jerry Diaz, one that everyone loves to hear. We're gonna head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show, and hope to see you at Stingaree Restaurant and Marina, located at 1295 North Stingaree Road here in Crystal Beach, Texas for Easter weekend 2023. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye.
Stingaree Restaurant and Marina, located overlooking an East Galveston Bay at 1295 North Stingaree Road in Crystal Beach, Texas. Known for their incredible views over East Galveston Bay, almost as much as their fabulous fresh seafood, including seafood platters fried or grilled, seared or grilled tuna, hand-cut steaks, and let's not forget their famous bread pudding. Stingaree Restaurant isn't just any restaurant, it's a travel destination with frosty margaritas, fresh seafood, and free sunsets over East Galveston Bay. From fresh seafood to American favorites like Texas-sized chicken fried steak, grilled chicken, or hand-cut grilled ribeye or filet. Remember, from spring through fall, free live music can be heard every weekend at Down Under on the dock of the bay. For more information on Stingaree Restaurant, Marina, RV Park on the Water, or event live music calendar, visit www.stingaree.com.